Hi student, today we will learn about the data management in health sciences by using SPSS. In SPSS, data option menu bar having different options or data management options. Identify duplicate cases, unusual cases, sort variables, transpose data, merge files, add variables or add cases, restructure data, aggregate data, split file, select cases, wait cases. Data menu bar. In SPSS, the data menu bar offers several options for managing and manipulating data, including defining variables, sort cases, merging files, splitting files, and selecting cases. These functions allow users to organize and prepare their data set for analysis. In merge files 8 cases, the purpose of merge files append dataset with the same variables but different cases rows. Steps in SPSS data merge files 8 cases, select another data set with the same structure. SPSS will match variables names. Click OK. Example, combine patient records from two different hospitals into one dataset. Merge files and sort cases. First, we open the dataset merge files 8 cases 1-1 in SPSS 24 version. Here we have 1 to 100 records, and we open our second dataset which name is merge files 8 cases 2-1. We check these files. Here we have start the record 1012 to 150. We close this file and open this file in our first file and merge cases. We go to data and go to merge files 8 cases. Here we select our merge cases file 2-1. Open, press the open button and press the continue button. Here unpaired variable and variable in the new active datasets, all variables in new active dataset, and we add these variables or cases 50 cases in merge files 8 cases and press button OK. In our dataset we have total 150 dataset. We insert or merge 50 cases in this set. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.